A blessed afternoon, sir. Thank you for accepting my interview. It's a privilege to have this opportunity to learn about your experiences as an overseas Filipino worker. So, my first question for you, sir, how long have you stayed abroad?
Walo ka tuig kung nagminiwa lang sa kapamilya sa Saudi Arabia.
What are the purposes of your stay there?
Aron mga kwarta lang ma'am para sa akong pamilya.
What were your most unforgettable experiences there? How will you describe them, good or bad?
Maayo ba or dautan kini ma'am? Para na kay maayo og dautan gid ma'am kay mga kwarta mong ko apan layo man kayo ko sa akong pamilya. Isod kayo ang pagbulag nila. Kinahanglan usab nga mag-address ko sa mga tao dito, ilabi na ilang mga pagkaon o kultura, ilang mga batasan ma'am.
How will you compare the Philippines and other countries?
Basta ko ang sweldo magdaot sa gawas sa nasugid ma'am. Apan ang mga tao dito dahil lain og kultura o pamatasan. Ang Pilipinas bisan gamay ra ang sweldo, namde ang akong pamilya ug akong mga higala. Mas komportable ko sa kagalingon gid na nasud mo.
Is your job affected by the global pandemic COVID-19? And what are your coping mechanisms to combat this problem in relation to your job?
Oh, grabe kayo ang epekto sa COVID-19 sa akong trabaho ma'am. Apan naningkamot ko nga magpabiling positibo ug mag-amping aron dili matakdan. Nagsunod ko sa mga health protocols ug nag-ampo ko kanunay. Nay mga panahon nga gamay ra mong kalihukan pud ma'am.
Do you want to go back abroad or the other countries in the future? Why or why not?
Oo, kung wala pa unta kung negosyo di sa Pilipinas, apan karon mas gusto na ako na magpuyo na lang dinhi og atimanon ang akong negosyo og pamilya ma'am. Mas importante ang akong pamilya ug akong kahimsog. Gid ma'am.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable time and insights with me, sir. Your experiences provide a powerful and perspective on the lives of OFWs and the impact of globalization on families and the nation. I truly appreciate your honesty and willingness to share your story. Based on the respondents' answers, we can see the common experiences of many OFWs. The primary reason for leaving the country is the pursuit for a better life for their families. However, this decision is not easy, as it involves many sacrifices, such as separations from family and facing the difficulties of living and working in another country. The mixture of good and bad experiences reflects the complex reality of life as an OFW. Facing the pandemic added to their challenges, but their resilience and positivity highlights their strength and determination. The respondents' decisions to remain in the Philippines and focus on their business and family demonstrates wisdom and practicality. This shows that returning to the Philippines is not just an option, but an opportunity to build a stronger future for themselves and their family.